Hello children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Yesterday we have learned the lesson 3 Puppy and I poem. No, I hope all of you understood the poem. Okay. Yesterday I have given two homeworks also. No, write the poem and draw some pictures related to this poem. Okay, all of you done? Then one exercise also given, who said to whom, and I hope all of you got the answers and done it in copy. Okay. Then today we will discuss the question answer of this lesson. Okay. Take your page number 26 question answer. C part. Page number 26 question answer. Answer the following questions. Okay. Question number 1. Who is I in the poem? Who is I in the poem? In the poem, I met a man, I met a horse, I met a puppy. It said no. Who is I in this poem? Actually, this poem, I is the poet. Who is poet? The person who writes a poem is known as poet. And I is the poet here. Okay. So, the poet himself described as a boy. So, we can write I in the poem is a boy. So, what is the answer? Who is I in the poem? Answer, I in the poem is a boy. Who is I in the poem? I in the poem is a boy. Then question number 2. What do horses eat? Horses eat grass. No. Horse is a grass eating animal. So one word, separate word is given in the book for grass, hay. Hay, hay. Okay. So what do horses eat? Answer, horses eat hay. Hay, hay. Okay. Then next question. Question number 3. What color coats did the rabbits have? In the poem, the boy is saying, the poet is saying, rabbits wear a coat. What color coat do the rabbits have? Okay, the rabbits have white fur coats. Actually, it is not coat. It's a fur of rabbit. White color fur. Okay, so we can write the answer in this way. The rabbits have white fur coat. White fur coats. The rabbits have white fur coats. Okay. Then question number 4. Why did the person prefer to go with the puppy and not with the others? Why did the person prefer to go with the puppy and not with the others? At first, the person or the boy met a man, then a horse, then a woman, then rabbits, and all they asked the boy to accompany them, but the boy refused to go with them. Okay, because they all were going to do their work, do their duty. But actually the boy wanted to play. At last he saw a puppy and the puppy was going to the hillside to play. So the boy accompanied him. Okay, the boy said to him, I will also come with you. I also wants to play. So the answer you can write in this way. Why did the person means the boy, why did the boy prefer to go with the puppy and not with the others? The answer is the person preferred to go. Preferred, when you write the answer, prefer in place of prefer, you have to write a preferred. The person preferred to go with the puppy because he wanted to play with the puppy. Because he wanted to play with the puppy. Clear all of you? Once again I will read all the question answer. Answer the following question. Who is I in the poem? I in the poem is a boy. What do horses eat? Horses eat hay. Hay, hay. Then number 3. What color coats did the rabbits have? The rabbits have white fur coats. The rabbits have white fur coats. Then why did the person prefer to go with the puppy and not with the others? The person preferred to go with the puppy because he wanted to play with the puppy. Clear all of you? This all question answer you have to do in copy. Okay, and learn this. Okay, bye.